How to get the shots with GoPro. When you get a GoPro, you open the door on an entire ecosystem of GoPro mounts and accessories to choose from. GoPro's mounts give you an incredible range of creative freedom to record scenes from different perspectives. In this video, we'll show you how different mounts can help you capture 4 essential points of view, plus give you some awesome pro tips along the way. And you'll get a look at the wide range of GoPro accessories available to help you get those dream shots. The handheld point of view. GoPro's handheld mounts make it easy to switch back and forth between selfies and outward-facing points of view. And they add an extra level of stabilization to your shots, especially if you're doing follow cams or large group selfies. Pro tip: capture insane invisible pull shots with your Max 2. Simply mount the camera upright and aligned with the grip on an extension pole setup that's at least 14 inches or 35 centimeters long. The body-mounted point of view, for the most immersive and iconic GoPro shots, this is the way to go. Immerse your audience into the action with hands-free from your perspective footage that will blow them away. Pro tip: use voice commands to direct your GoPro so you can experience the moment and still get the shot. The gear-mounted point of view. Capture incredible shots with hands-free, gear-mounted points of view and bring your viewers along for the ride. Attach these mounts to equipment like helmets, kayaks, handlebars, or cars for immersive scenes that showcase you in the action and completely free you from thinking about camera angles. Pro tip: get cinematic with ways you can mount your camera and what you can capture, like immersive water splashes or a car's side mirror backward reflection. The stationary point of view. The stationary point of view is perfect for activities happening around you in a specific focal zone like a sunrise, sunset, or even cooking. Use a tripod and an extension pole. Lay your camera on a flat surface or mount it to one spot to capture the scene. Pro tip: for super long recordings and time-lapse shots, keep your camera juiced with GoPro's contacto-magnetic door and power cable kit. Expand your mounting universe. Customize your preferences and needs with different mounts and see what you can do. For the Skyer, perfect for capturing invisible pole shots with a 360 camera that can be reframed into point of view, selfie, follow cam footage, and more. The Capture It All tripod. The sky's the limit when you mount your camera to GoPro's tripod plus ball head. Tips for your gear-mounted shots. Use the locking 1/4-20 mounting buckle along with the handlebar seat post mount together with the carbon fiber extension set and magnetic latch 1/4-20 mount. GoPro's 3 magnetic latch mount options are the easiest and fastest ways to swap your camera between mounting setups. GoPro accessories. GoPro's wide range of accessories makes amazing footage easier than ever to capture. Creatives can explore pro-level cinematic shots with the ultra-wide, macro, ND filter 4-pack, and anamorphic HB series lens mods for Hero 13 Black. For the vlogger, Media Mod delivers a directional mic for crystal clear audio recording, plus 2 cold shoe mounts, a 3.5mm mic port, and an HDMI out port. For water sports lovers, use the floaty extension pole to keep your camera afloat. The bright orange design makes it easy to spot on water. For those seeking to capture the underwater world, GoPro's protective housing keeps your camera waterproof to 196 feet, that's 60 meters. It's the ultimate protection in extreme activities. And for everyone, GoPro's #1 top seller, the dual battery charger. It comes with 2 Enduro batteries and helps ensure your camera stays charged on any adventure. Expand your perspective. Get the POVs you want with GoPro's wide range of mounts and the accessories you need to fuel your creativity and make every shot epic. The possibilities are endless. And be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest GoPro tips and tutorials.